Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Volkswagen Atlas battery, updated. Start by parking on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent shorts. Remove plastic covers with a trim tool and unbolt the hold down using a 10 mm socket and ratchet. Lift the battery straight up, keeping it level, and place it on a protective surface safely away from electronics. Gather tools, 10 mm socket, ratchet, trim tool, gloves, and safety glasses before you begin. Wear gloves to protect your hands and safety glasses to shield your eyes. Disconnecting the negative terminal first is crucial to avoid shorts. Keep metal tools away from battery posts to prevent sparks. If the battery is heavy, use a helper or a carrier for safer lifting. Dispose or recycle the old battery at a designated facility and label it if storing temporarily. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find it. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They help keep you steady when lifting heavy batteries and make garage work comfier. Check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Remove the battery cover and any air intake parts that block access to the battery area. Loosen and remove the negative terminal clamp first, then the positive clamp to reduce short risk. Unbolt the hold-down clamp with a 10 mm socket and carefully lift the battery straight up, using both hands or a carrier. Inspect the tray for corrosion and clean with a baking soda and water solution before installing the replacement battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.